In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted Trello card. Trello, as many of you might know, is a fantastic tool for project management and organizing your tasks and projects. But one of the most daunting prospects when using Trello is the permanent deletion of a card, which unfortunately cannot be undone. So let's explore what possibilities we have when it comes to recovering the seemingly lost information. To start, you'll need to head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, a login screen will appear. You can log in using various platforms such as Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Of course, if you prefer, you can use your email address. The login button is conveniently located at the upper right corner of the page, making it simple to find and easy to access. Now here comes the crucial part, understanding Trello's deletion mechanics. It's important to note that when a card is deleted in Trello, it's gone permanently. This nature of permanence means that if you try to recover a deleted card, unfortunately there is no built-in feature in Trello to restore it. However, this doesn't mean all hope is lost for recouping your card's information. Before you consider deleting a card, an excellent precautionary step is to utilize Trello's archive feature. Think of archiving as a way to put your card in a trash bin. By archiving a card instead of deleting it outright, you allow yourself the opportunity to access it later if you need to. Accessing archived cards is very straightforward in Trello. You can retrieve archived cards by navigating to the board menu, where an option titled Archived Items will be available for you to use. This option allows you to view and restore cards that have been stowed away, safely out of your immediate workspace, yet easily accessible when required. Here's a useful tip for those working on larger Trello boards or within a team. You can always make it a practice to archive cards regularly rather than delete them. This practice not only helps in maintaining a clean board, but also provides a safety net in case you need any of the archived information later. Remember, Trello is a powerful tool, and with a little bit of strategic planning and regular use of features like archiving, you can keep your projects organized while avoiding the irreversible loss of valuable information. By building the habit of archiving instead of deleting, you grant yourself peace of mind, knowing that you can manage and recover information if needed. So next time before hitting that delete button, consider archiving and keep the flow of your project management smooth and safeguarded. Happy organizing, and I hope this tip helps you make the most out of your Trello experience.